From basketball, let's move over to esports as Team Liquid Philippines continues its reign in the Mobile Legends Bang Bang Professional League. One News mobile journalist Amy Atienza reports on the squad's dominant title defense.
Team Liquid Philippines successfully claims back-to-back championships in the Mobile Legends Bang Bang Professional League, or MPL Philippines. They swept the top seed Aurora MLBB Gaming in a best-of-7 series to win the Season 16 crown. The two teams initially faced each other in the upper bracket play-ins, where Aurora triumphed over Team Liquid. Meeting each other for the second time around this playoffs, it was the Cavalry who won in dominant fashion 4-0.
Masaya kasi kami ata yung first team na nag-champion galing sa third seed. And sobrang sarap talunin ng team na win streak ng sobrang haba. Kaya tuwa talaga kami.
After nilang matalo sa amin sa upper bracket, yung laban nila sa TNC nag-iba talaga. As in, nung pinapanood namin sila sa laban nila sa TNC, napag-usapan na namin na iba na yung naging playstyle ng na TLPH. So, sinubukan namin maging ready doon, kaso yun nga, medyo nabitin talaga.
But it definitely was not an easy fight for the team. During Game 4, Aurora still managed to take a Lord Steal in the 16th minute of the match. Team Liquid mid-laner Alston Sanji Cabico created a Louis diversion play to easily end the match despite losing the objective.
Actually, ayaw niya pa nga mag-Louis doon eh. Sabi ko na lang na walang ka-counter sa'yo sa Louis. Na-rebuild talaga nila and na-redeem talaga nila yung mga sarili nila. Tapos, natutuwa ako kasi hindi sila sabog mag-comms. Kapag may isang nagko-comms, tatahimik yung apat. Tapos pag may plano yung dalawa, mag-uusap sila kung ano yung talagang pinaka-best na idea.
Team Liquid Philippines roamer JP De La Cruz was hailed as the finals most valuable player of the season. He also completed his 5th MPL championship, the only player in the league to tally a 5-0 record in the grand finals.
Ay, sobrang happy po na tapos sinisigaw po nila yung pangalan ko before pumados. Kaya sobrang saya ko po.
The 5-day MPL Season 16 playoffs was held at the Cuneta Astrodome in Pasay City. The league also launched its official mascot BB as part of MLBB's 9th anniversary. Kapatid Amy Atienza, we are One News.